Welcome to the Daily Liturgical Guides website, your go-to resource for growing in faith through the liturgical seasons. In this 5-minute walkthrough, we'll explore the homepage, key pages, seasonal guides, how to install it as an app, and how the site seamlessly transitions between seasons. Let's dive in. Here's the homepage, featuring a clean, distraction-free design with a light background and purple accents. A welcome message highlights the site's mission, offering daily or weekly scripture, prayer, and reflection for liturgical seasons like Advent, Christmas, Lent, and more. Scroll down to see guides for each season: Advent, Christmas, Epiphany, Lent, Easter, and both parts of Ordinary Time, each with a description and a button to access its content. The seasonal guides are dynamic, tailored to the current liturgical season. For example, during Ordinary Time, you'll see its guide active with a clickable purple button, like Go to Ordinary Time Guide, while others, like Advent or Lent, are disabled with messages about when they begin. The site uses JavaScript to calculate key dates, such as Easter or Advent start, ensuring only the current season's guide is active. As seasons change, say, from Easter to Ordinary Time or Ordinary Time to Advent, the site automatically updates, enabling the next season's guide and disabling the previous one, keeping you in sync with the church calendar year-round. You can install this site as an app for easy access. On your phone, open it in Safari or Chrome, tap the share icon and select Add to Home Screen. Name it Liturgical Guides and tap Add. It appears on your home screen, offering offline access as a progressive web app. On desktop in Chrome, click the three-dot menu, choose Install Daily Liturgical Guides, and confirm. The app icon appears on your desktop for a full-screen experience, making your spiritual guides just a tap away. At the homepage's footer, you'll find links: About, Contact, Privacy Policy, and Share. Click About to learn more. This page outlines the site's role in providing tradition-rooted guides to support your spiritual journey, with a back-to-home link for easy navigation. Next, click Contact. Here's a simple form to send feedback. Enter your name, email, and message, then click Send Message. The consistent design, with purple links and a familiar footer, ensures browsing is seamless across all pages. Click Privacy Policy from the footer. It explains how your data, like contact form submissions, is protected, keeping things clear and user-focused. Back on the homepage, try the Share link. It opens your device's Share menu on mobile or copies the site's link to your clipboard on desktop, displaying Link Copied. This feature makes it easy to share the site with friends, inviting them to explore its faith-filled resources. That's the Daily Liturgical Guides website. From dynamic seasonal guides that shift with the church calendar to the About, Contact, and Privacy Policy pages, it's built for faith and simplicity. Install it as an app for quick access, and as seasons change, the site updates automatically to guide your spiritual journey. Check out the website, install the app, and share it with others. Thanks for joining this walkthrough. May these guides enrich your faith through every liturgical season.